looking at butt?
Because
I saw you looking at that ass, so go back. Damn! Show everybody, show the subscribers the booty.
Yeah, you did one time.
That's my boy. Get in that boy. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're going on a road trip today. Me and Jose are about to go pick up some wide fenders for the 240. They are 20 millimeter in the fronts, and yeah, we're going all the way to Luling, which is by Austin, Texas. I'll be installing those. Also, we're gonna be making a front bumper bracket because my shark nose sags and has a nasty gap. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, guys. Shoot! What are you getting? Getting some fenders, boys.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
We just stopped at Sonic because Jose's fucking hungry. He's gonna get a dick meat sandwich.
Can I get a number 2 combo?
We just got back into town. I picked up some nuts because Jose's lost his. Oh, now we're at Jose's house. We're gonna start fixing the 240 gap with the angle iron, the nuts, and the bolts with the washers that we got. And then after that, we're gonna be putting on the new fenders that we just got. And I saw a video of a guy, Sonny from Eliminate, who basically cut it to the same size as the, here, let me show you. As those right there. So I'll show you the material that we're going to be using to fix this bumper gap. We're going to be using a angle iron, and you're going to need bolts, washers. Here, if you guys want to do this yourself, these are M6 1 point by 16 millimeters, and then your washers. And nuts. So we just got the front bumper off. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna measure the angle iron and see what we need to cut off of it. So we're gonna get a Sharpie and we're just gonna measure it like that. Oh dude, this dude, oh my god, this dude wasn't recording. Anyways, marked it where we're gonna cut it off so we can have it perfectly aligned. This dude, why are you dropping everything? Well, Jose wants to be handy and do everything, so I'll let him do everything while I just hold the camera. Dude, for real. Stop dropping the bolts. Which side are you starting off with? Okay.
Put a washer on it.
You always gotta have a washer. Extra tight. Need 2 fucking bolts and 2 washers. Now we need zip ties. Come here. Alright.
Where?
So, I don't look perfect. What's this? Where they can see it. This is like a super easy, like do it yourself, guys. Like if you're having problems with saggy bumpers, cheapest solution ever. Damn, boy! Bro, no gap.
Yeah, it overlaps.
Huh?
Perfect right here.
Well, it's because the bumper sag is like
in the middle.
it just sags in the middle because how the bumper is. But bro, no more gaps. Yeah, like yeah, the side's fucking perfect. In all my other videos, y'all can tell a total of probably like 15 bucks will fix your bumper. Now we're gonna get on with the fenders, guys. All right, so what we're doing now is we're gonna take the fenders off. They are 10 millimeters. Jose's gonna be taking them off real quick. You have 3 on top, then you have 1 inside the door, and then you have 1 right there where Jose was pointing, and then 2 on the bottom by the door. Is with this first hole, we're gonna wallow it out to make the hole easier, get the alignment on the fender.
5 hours later.
A million hours later, we fucking finally got that stupid ass fender on. We had to do a lot of modifications, grinding, sanding down the side by the door, drilling into the fender well to put another bolt and zip ties, and then, like I said earlier, wellowing out these bolts right here to push it back more. Now we're gonna start on the other side. Jose's already started on it, and he's mocking it up. But I'm sanding this side down right here, guys, and then I'm sanding this part right here, because we're trying to get a good fitment on it. Because these aren't like, these are boo-boo fenders, but it's okay. Broke boys, bro. I don't got money like TJ Hunt and Eliminate or Jose. So you know what? You gotta work with what you got, and that's okay, homie. It's totally fine.
Or you can save your money.
No.
Spend money to put out content.
What the fuck, you want me to start doing like fucking funny videos or something?
Yeah, challenges.
You want to do a 24-hour challenge with my 240 or what?
Literally the most uncomfortable thing ever.
Especially, I don't got AC and it's summertime. I was right on it.
No, you're
Oh, no, shut up, man. I was right on it.
I can see it.
You can't see shit. What is up, guys? It is the next day. This fender crap that is going on with the 240, it's a fail, bro. Like, this is the reason why you do not buy rep fenders or replica anything, because you do have to do a lot of modifications to get it perfect. And even after doing a lot of modifications to it, it still won't be perfect. That's why you go with like the good shit, the real stuff. I only bought these fenders just to do a video on it, and I mean it's extra content to let y'all guys know. Do not go rep fenders or fenders that are cheap, because you're gonna waste money. One, you're gonna waste money. Two, you're gonna have a hard time putting them on. Fitment is crap on them. You have this big, super big gap. I'm gonna fix this gap. I'm probably gonna push it in more. And then we had to do a lot of shaving right here. I mean, on this side it looks like camera, you can't tell really. But you have to do so much modifications. This huge gap. And on this side, the gap isn't as bad, but if you see, it goes in and then it goes out. And then right here, you see how it's more in. I'm just gonna rock these fenders until I get some real Origin Lab ones. I just wanted to do a video on it to show you guys don't get rep fenders or cheap fenders, because they do not always come out perfect. And then we have this gap right here that we gotta fix. So guys, I'm gonna fix that up and then probably end the video.